How to find archived post on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then select on the gear icon. This will lead you to settings and privacy over here. So what you simply need to do is scroll down and tap on the option of activity log under your activity. Select on that, and here what you can do is simply tap on the archive option at the top left corner of the screen. Select on archive, and here you can see all the archived or the post over here, and as you do that you can simply tap on story archive at the top of the screen. So you can see all these stories that you have archived. But if you want to see the archived post, you'll be able to see right here under the story archive section. But since I don't have any archived posts, you'll not be able to see it on the screen. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.